How to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. So if you want to fix your Roblox voice chat not showing up, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Roblox application, or you can also go with your browser. Now if you're in a game, then you just need to simply come out of your game and then go with more, which is here on the left side, and go with settings. Under settings you can go with privacy and content maturity. Here you need to go with communication option, and under communication here you will have an option of voice chat. So you just need to simply go with the option of voice chat, and then you can enable the voice chat option from your communication. But if it is already turned on and if you're facing the problem, then you just need to simply go and relaunch your Roblox, and after relaunching your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix, then now you can go with the account info. Under account info, if you've verified your age and if you verified your phone number, and after that if you've received the voice chat option. Like if you've received your voice chat after verifying your age or after verifying your phone number or email, then make sure that you've not changed your date of birth or your phone number or your email address after getting your voice chat. Because if you've changed, then your voice chat might have some problems. So make sure that you stick to the phone number and the email address that you've used while verifying. Now again, go with privacy and content maturity, and here you need to go with content maturity, which is on the first, and make sure that you've selected the moderate option. Once you've selected the moderate, now go with communication and then go with experience chat, and here you need to select everyone, and under the direct chat also you need to select everyone. Once you've selected, once you've saved your changes, now you can go back and check if your problem still persists. If it still persists, then what you need to do is just simply go back and relaunch or just log out of your account and then again log in. And if that still doesn't fix, then you can just go with your search, and under search you can search for Roblox, and here you will have uninstall option. You can just simply go with uninstall and uninstall the application or the launcher and then again install it and log into your account. So that's how you can fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.